Welcome students in certificate course in vermicompost technology organized by Department of Zoology, Lokmanya Tilak Mahavidyalaya, Vani, District Yavatmal. Today we are taking some practical approach for vermicomposting. Then requirements of vermicomposting is as follows: shade in container, in biodegradable organic matter, in water, and suitable species of earthworms. This is a shortcut or short method of vermicomposting. Wash and clean the container, add organic matter in it. This organic matter may be cow dung, leaf litter, kitchen waste, garden waste, agricultural waste. Then water them and allowed to decompose for 2 to 3 weeks. Then release earthworms on semi-digested organic matter. The number of earthworms depends upon quantity of organic matter to be composted. Then cover this by gunny bag or leaves. Maintain 40% moisture in a substrate. Then we obtain vermicompost in 2 to 3 months. Collect vermicompost and use as per requirement. Add organic matter to top layers after removing vermicompost. So it is a short method of vermicomposting. Then about container, we can use any available container. Probably try best from waste. Kabad se jugaad. So what container should we use? That can be shown in these pictures. Then organic matters. Pictures of organic matter also shown in these containers. Then our department set up 2 units in Nilgiri Ban in last 2 years. These are students taking part in this project. Then worms are introduced in this unit by Mr. Mahadeva Bhujade sir. Then after releasing earthworms in a vermicompost unit, these top layers of substrate can be covered by leaves or gunny bags. Then these are products of vermicomposting. In the center, worms are shown. They are multiply during vermicomposting. Then cocoons are formed in a top upper pictures. Cocoons of earthworm are shown. It is very rare to see cocoons. So general people could not observe cocoons. Even zoologists could not observe these cocoons. Then these containers showing vermicomposted matter. So these 4 diagrams showing in 4 different containers are ready for use. These are vermicompost, and we can use this vermicompost as per our requirements. These are some visitors who visit our vermicompost units. Professor Patel Paik sir, then Mahadev Bhujade sir, then our students and some staff members, Maghade sir and Ghogre sir, Paresh Patel sir are seen in photograph. Again, our management member, Sri Kuchankar sir, also visited our unit at Nilgiri Ban. This picture showing NAC team visiting our vermicompost unit at Nilgiriban during our NAC of college. So it is about vermicomposting unit